I'm Trent Martin with Columbus Epoxy Flooring. Here we are getting ready to work on a pretty big industrial project that we have for one of our customers. Got a few different things that we got to tackle in this project. In this space, they've used it for different tenants throughout the years. All kinds of different layers of glue and adhesives just stacked up on top of each other from the different flooring that they've had throughout the years. One of the biggest obstacles that we're going to have to tackle for this project is just getting all that adhesive removed. We're going to have to grind it multiple times. We'll have different diamonds that we'll put on the bottoms of our grinder, so we'll have to change those out. But for right now, we are just trying to get down to the concrete. On the edges, we'll go around with a much more aggressive cup wheel, change the cup wheel out, and then grind it with just a finer grit cup wheel. It's just going to reflect through on your finish, so we want to try to get everything fairly flat the best that we can. We spent the first couple days on this floor just getting it prepped, everything ready to be coated. We got all the glue removed, got the concrete ground, got a lot of patchwork done. We're finally ready to prime. We had some edges that we needed to terminate, so we went ahead and taped those off. On all of our slabs, we test for the vapor transmission. The vapor transmission, if it's too high of a level and it's over that acceptable level of the coating, you're gonna get blistering, you're gonna get bubbles in your coating, and ultimately it could fail the entire project. So it's important to go ahead and address that, make sure it's taken care of. A lot of just traditional standard epoxy prime coats, they only get up to about maybe 2 to 3 pounds by the manufacturer specifications. In Ohio, it's very rare that we've seen it over 7 pounds. One of the big benefits about laying this particular prime coat is it's good up to about 8-9 pounds of vapor transmission. Once we had everything patched, prepped, and ready to go, we went ahead and mixed up the prime coat. Once that ribbon's poured out, we'll go ahead with a squeegee. We'll have a couple guys behind us cutting out all the edge work with a 18-inch roller behind us just to make sure all that coating's evened out behind the squeegee. Start at one end of the building, work our way back, just get the area coated. So yesterday we went ahead and primed the floor, got it all patched up, and today we went in and applied the pigmented base coat, and that just added a little bit of extra traction, some extra durability to the coating. Tomorrow we're going to go in and apply our final urethane top coat. So today for the final top coat, we went ahead and applied what's called a high wear, high solid urethane top coat. As part of that, there's a 220 mesh aluminum oxide that's mixed in with that top coat, and it just helps knock the sheen down, which is perfect for a space like this. An old floor like this, you're still gonna have some dents and dings visible. So with that lower sheen, it just helps to hide any of those imperfections. We generally tell our customers 48 hours for foot traffic, and then 96 hours for full service, forklifts, heavy equipment, machinery, and they are fully back to normal. With the final urethane top coat applied, we have this project wrapped up. The space is now ready for the customer to return to. That'll pretty much wrap up the project.